How to share Shopify product link. So I'm in my Shopify admin port. So I'm going to go into my products page right here. And for example, I have this product shirt. I'm just going to click this. And you just want to scroll down. And you can see there's going to be a search engine listing right here. You can edit it if you want, but right now let's just go with the pre-designated one. This will be the link to your product, HTTPS plus all the things. If you see if you can copy this, and then you just paste that in. It'll head to your product on your store. And if you want to share this, you can just share this as this link right here, but some people might find that hard to remember, or maybe it's just a little hard to look at because it has a lot of letters, random letters and random numbers. So maybe we can just put it in a QR code. So let me show you how to do that. QR code generator, let's just search which one will work. I'll just pick this one right here. I'm going to paste in my product link. And that is the QR code that will lead to your product. You can use different templates here if you want, but I'll just use this one. I'll just download this JPEG. Wait for it to download. After it's done, you can put this in your promotional material maybe, whatever, it doesn't really matter. But anyways, that is how you share your product link in Shopify. It's as easy as that.